Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the one of the experiment of respiration in which we are going to prove that during the process of respiration carbon dioxide is released. In this experiment we have a specific apparatus in which we have different kind of folders and different kind of jar. Now in one of the jar, that is jar A contain soda lime, and soda lime is used to absorb carbon dioxide. See, we are going to prove that carbon dioxide is released during the process of respiration. So we have to ensure that the air which enter into the jar must be free from carbon dioxide. So in jar A we will have QoS, so it can absorb carbon dioxide. In jar B we will have lime water to ensure that this air is exactly free from carbon dioxide, because A jar में already carbon dioxide absorb हो चुकी है. So when the air enter into jar B, it will not turn milky, that lime water milky, because there is no carbon dioxide. Now the air will pass into jar C. In jar C there is a one plant which can do photosynthesis as well as can do respiration, and they can do photosynthesis and respiration simultaneously. So to avoid any kind of confusion, what we will do, we will cover that jar with a black paper so no sunlight can enter, and we can prevent the plant from photosynthesis basically. Otherwise क्या होगा बच्चों कि photosynthesis में जो ऑक्सीजन निकलेगी वो रेस्पिरेशन में यूज़ हो जाएगी, जो रेस्पिरेशन में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगी that were utilized during the process of photosynthesis, and we are not able to identify whether we are concluding for the carbon dioxide or for oxygen. So it's better go for a one reaction only, and for that we will cover that entire jar with a black paper or a black cloth to prevent the entry of light, और बिना light के photosynthesis नहीं होने वाला है. Now the plant which is inside that jar C will do photosynthesis. After will do respiration, and after respiration it will produce carbon dioxide. Now this is our assumption कि that it is producing carbon dioxide. आपको कोई कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आती हुई नज़र तो नहीं आ रही ना. आपको क्या नज़र आ सकता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कि कोई गैस निकल रही है, और वो भी इतनी ज़्यादा अमाउंट में नहीं होती कि यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि कोई गैस रिलीज़ हो रही है. Anyway, to check whether some gas is released, or specifically to check this, that the released gas is carbon dioxide, we will pass that gas another jar, that jar D, which also contain lime water. Now the lime water of the jar D will turn to milky, which proves that the released gas is carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is able to convert lime water into milky. After that we can pass it from the aspirator, that is E, which can soak water which is released during the process of respiration. So in this experiment we have discussed that carbon dioxide is released during the process of experiment. So if we have a question, the similar kind of question we will have, that what is the aim of the experiment, write down the reaction, why it is covered with black paper to prevent that photosynthesis, what will be the difference in the jar B and jar D. jar B आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि पहले एयर कहाँ से आ रही है, वो सीक्वेंस चेंज कर सकते हैं. इन योर बुक देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन वेयर द सीक्वेंस इज चेंज. So I will discuss that question right now. Question number 9, it is given in your book. What is the aim of the experiment? The aim of the experiment is to show that carbon dioxide is released during the process of respiration. What is your observation in flask A and flask C? In flask A, in this question, air is entered from the side D, that is D में soda lime है. So soda lime will absorb carbon dioxide. After that it will pass from C, that is lime water. Lime water will not turn to milky, because इन जार डी जो सोडा लाइम था उसने ऑलरेडी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया. आफ्टर दैट इट विल पास फ्रॉम बी, वेयर द रेस्पिरेशन विल टेक्स प्लेस, प्लांट विल प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, एंड व्हेन दिस बी इज एयर विल पास फ्रॉम बी टू ए, दिस लाइम वाटर विल कन्वर्ट इनटू मिल्की, बिकॉज जो अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल रही है या जो गैस रेस्पिरेशन के बाद निकल रही है, that consist of carbon dioxide which change lime water milky. The another question is, what is the function of soda lime in D? The function of soda lime in D is to absorb carbon dioxide. Why is the B covered with black cloth? It is covered with black cloth to prevent entry of light or to prevent photosynthesis. What would you observe if the potted plant in a bee were to be replaced by a moist seed? If we are having moist seed, then they will do germination. If they are doing germination, they will do respiration. So same observation will be there. If we have a small animal like a mouse, then they will also do respiration. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि प्लांट जब रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं तो कुछ स्पेसिफिक गैस लेते हैं. Whether plant or animal, whosoever living organism is respiring or breathing, at that time they will use oxygen if it is a aerobic respiration, and they will produce carbon dioxide. So revise this experiment and keep enjoying. Take care. Bye.